Hi, this is Noah from ScreenPrintExchange.com. I am taking apart a Diamondback head for parts. I'm going to be using this Cobalt multi-Allen wrench. I have the metric version as well. So I kind of like these because they're not as long and they won't twist. That's what I'm hoping, because on these, when they're longer, they twist, especially the smaller ones as you go. Look at how bent that one is. And this is from years and years of using them. You never lose them with these multi Allen wrench tools, but they, they twist after a while. So hopefully these smaller ones won't. And I'm also going to use the Platato device I used in the past. I don't really need to use it, but it'll save my hands, and I'll show you real world experience with them. So we're gonna try these little. There you go. So I don't usually like using these multi-tools, but I've been losing too many of late, Allen wrenches, so I'm gonna start using them more. Now, the size is nice and small, so it's coming out pretty easily. You just don't get the dexterity you need with these as much. So this is an SMC valve, which is very commonly used now on M&R equipment. You can see that this one is broken, so you get to see the internal workings of it. Let's see if I can push it back in. It might be hard. Oh, it came back in. It might be hard to take this one out, but we'll see. I haven't used this thing in a long time. Okay, so you squeeze this, and that squeezes onto the pipe, and then you use this lever below, and it comes right out. So there you go, there's one. These smaller ones are hard to take out by hand. I'm gonna show you, let's see if I can take them out with my hand. I mean, it's hard, especially when they're little. Well, it came out, but it was harder. So this valve is probably good. I'll use it to repair somebody's machine in the future. So I gotta go to the other side. There's two valves on each printhead, because usually one is for the chopper or the squeegee, and the other one is for the flood bar going up and down. So yeah, it's working. We'll put the other one out. So yeah, so like with a lot of these tools that are inexpensive, like this Cobalt, which I think I'm liking it, they tend to loosen up a lot, and they really need Loctite on it. And I'm the king of Loctite. I love Loctite, and so I'll end up doing it, putting Loctite on it. So that valve is removed. So these things are mufflers to let air out, because there is always residual air left. When the valve is working, it has to go somewhere. So squeeze it again, squeeze the pipe. It doesn't even ruin the hose if you wanted to reuse it again. So it's out, and we'll chuck it. There you go. Yay, we got another one. So we'll find a good place for it. This printhead's gonna go to scrap, just because I don't need it anymore. Let's see, we'll try some more. Let's see. Let's do this part right here. It's there was a valve in here with a meter, and it's very common for these regulators with the meter to get punched in, because it's made of plastic. I do like this, but well, I might have rounded it off already. Okay, that's user error. Yeah, it seems to be, the Allen wrench seems to be, easier to use, because it's not as long, so it doesn't flex. So I do recommend this small Cobalt because it's not going to take up much room in my tool bag, and I'll have every one of. I have so many of these missing with the ones where you just stick into a piece of plastic. So I don't mind if I lose this or not. It's like $5 for 2. It's pretty nice. And this Platato, which is a ridiculous name, I don't know who came up with it, but they do have other tools. It's really nice. And look at my other videos because I modified it so it can use, I think it's 5/32, which is common on an M&R press for the hoses for squeegee clamps and frame holders and other things. So 5/32, quarter. I've even done 3/8 on it. It barely fits, but it works well. But if it didn't fit, I would just file it a little bit more. So look at those videos. So that's it. So this is going to scrap. I've been scrapping a lot of machines. So go to Screen Print Exchange, like this video, and join my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Bye.